prep.
Okay.
I'm assuming it's the same test because that's how it was last time.
Yeah.
So I thought about 19 of them, and so that's something that I didn't get.
Well, you're good. I looked at it. I didn't do any of it.
Okay.
Okay. Is number 2B?
Let me see. That one I had a question on. Okay, so number 2, that's one of the ones I didn't know. 2 and 3, I both didn't know.
I'm pretty sure number 2 is 3 because that's what the intervals mean.
Okay.
Is that the mean is, we're 90% sure whatever the confidence level is that it's in there between those two.
Oh, for question 2. Okay, I see. On the exam prep test. All right, so the question's given a 90% confidence interval. Is that the one you're talking about?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see what I got. What I said was we are 90% confident that the true mean heart rate is between 45 and 105.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's the one. Okay. Yeah, so question 3 and question 4 are the ones that I couldn't figure out.
Do you have to do anything more than a QQ plot?
No,
You don't?
I don't think so. Let me see. Researchers decide to construct a confidence system. Determine whether the confidence interval will be reliable. We create a QQ plot, both random samples, and see what data.
The only reason I think it's no. Well,
Let's see. So I guess we'd have to look up the requirements for an ANOVA. See if those fall under there. So it says that if a QQ plot is normally distributed, then it should be okay. I guess for that one, maybe we can just like all pick a different one and see who gets it right. I really don't know.
I'll put C,
Okay.
and you can pick what you want, and then we'll go from there.
Okay. Oh, wait, yeah. You could guess you're probably right, but I'll just pick a different one just in case.
What'd you say?
That you are right for that one.
Okay.
I'll just pick a different one just in case,
All right.
so we can cover our bases.
So Ben, for number 2, we got B. 3, we're not sure. I'm picking C, and then we're on 4. So.
Okay. Number 4.
I hate these ones.
Me too. Oh, they're the worst.
I'm gonna fail the test if that's all it is. Oh my gosh.
Nah, it gets a little bit better.
Yeah.
I was able to figure them out. I'm sure you can figure them out too. I think maybe for this one, would it be confidence interval for the difference of means using independent samples?
That's what I thought too.
Okay.
If you want, I can pick something else.
No, that's fine. We'll just pick it and it'll be okay. Okay, so I think for this one, I think it's the last one. Obtain the balances of 90 bank customers rather than 30.
Is the larger the sample, the smaller the interval?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How do you do this? I don't even know.
So when I did this last night, it didn't ask me for the margin of error, but what you do is you find the confidence interval. In this case, it's 998.04 and 1001.96.
Is that with what is it? Sorry, 1 second. Is that using like what the 95% equals thing? Like what the 95% confidence interval equals?
I think I can't remember how to do it by hand, but I just put it into the whatever that thing is, the Excel spreadsheet, and it gave me the confidence interval of those two, and that was one of the selections.
Okay.
So you just minus the two selections from each other and then divide that in half, and that's the margin of error.
You do that in a what's it called? That spreadsheet, the inference procedures or whatever.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, something like that. But let's see here. I think I did that one by hand actually.
Like we don't have anything to put in it.
Yeah. Okay, so this is how I set it up. So I did the, gosh, what is it called? The sample mean plus the percentile of the confidence interval, or no, of the, gosh, what is that called? Confidence level.
Yeah.
So it was 1.96 times 2 over 4, and then the square root of 4. So I think it's the margin of error formula.
Where did you get 4 from? Oh, that was the number of samples.
Yeah.
Will you read me what you got?
Yeah. So for the lower bound, I got 998.04.
And then 1.001.96.
It's just 1001.96.
Yeah. Awesome.
And then so, yeah, you just minus those two and then divide the sum in half.
So what did you get for the lower bound again?
99.8.04.
No, it's 998.04.
Let me be here soon, okay, bud? What was the upper bound again?
It's 1001.96.
Okay.
Did you subtract the lower from the upper or the upper from the lower? Doesn't matter.
Did the lower, or I did the upper from the lower, so it would be positive. And yeah, I think that's how you do
Got
it.
1.96.
Yeah.
Okay.
You think that was the two? No.
Okay. To assess accuracy. Did you figure out 9? This one? Or is this one you said you didn't figure out?
I did figure it out, but now that I look at it, I don't think I did it right.
Stop. Do it again, please. Do it again.
You guys remember the formula for the, like, for that question? Because I can't remember it. Oh, wait. No, I think I did do it right. It was the z over the confidence interval, or it's the z-score of the, yeah, of the confidence interval. Is that right? Level of confidence. So in this case, it would be like 95, so that's 1.96 times the standard deviation. And then that would be divided by the margin of error and then squared. So if I did do it right, I think the answer would be 38,416.
Let me see. Stated.
Yeah, I think that one's right.
Yeah, I got that too.
Okay, cool.
Oh, no. No.
It's all gone.
I think that it's for this next one for 10. I think it's the last one.
Yeah, it's the last one.
Okay.
Can you play cars? Can you play
Yeah,
cars?
busy, bud.
No, I can't play cars. Hey, I play cars.
Stop. We're not gonna play cars. Daddy's busy right now.
Yeah, so it's B.
Yeah. It's less than A.
Yeah.
Okay, this one I think it's C.
Yeah. Yes, it's C. The bell shape.
Okay, this one I think it's committed a type 1 error, but I'm not exactly sure.
What lesson was this from? This was a long time ago.
This was, I think, like lesson 9. So like the first lesson after our last exam.
No.
Go for it.
So I think it's, yeah, I think it is one error because it says that
You see Daddy?
whenever we reject a true null hypothesis, a type 1 error is committed.
Yeah. Yeah, it's. Yeah, you're right.
Daddy cat.
Okay, so
Is there any relationship between that? I don't know if there is.
I think that, yeah, if you commit a type 1 error, or if you reduce the probability of committing a type 1 error, then you increase the probability of committing a type 2 error.
Yeah, it says it in the reading. You failed to reject. Is that right?
Let's see what I put. Yeah, fail to reject the null. Okay, I'm not really sure about this one, but I think it might be independent samples test, but I'm not sure.
With each other.
Be back then.
I say B.
Daddy's busy.
B. Okay.
Daddy's busy.
Because it's not paired, it's not one. I don't think it's an A.
Yeah, I was confused about this next one too. Can't seem to get it. I'm guessing that it's some type of dependent.
Let me see.
I'm not sure which one of the dependents it is.
What did you think it was independent?
No, I thought it was dependent, but now that I read it more, it might be independent. I'm not sure. Because they're not really like trying to compare the two like brothers and sisters. They're just trying to compare the same like variable or same conditions. So it might be independent now that I think about it more.
I would think if it's independent, it's C, but if it's dependent, it's D.
Yeah.
I don't know.
No either. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me check something really quick. Because we kind of had a question like this last week on the homework quiz, and I got it wrong. So I'm looking back to see what it actually was. What was that?
I did too, I'm pretty sure.
Okay. Financial costs. I don't know.
You can choose one and I'll choose one. I don't care.
Okay, that works.
Which one are you picking?
I'm reading it right now to see which one. I'll do the last one.
Okay. We'll do C.
Okay.
Is it A?
This one I didn't know about. Trying to read it and figure it out right now.
Sigma, is that called sigma?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
the mean, right? Or is it the standard deviation?
It's a standard deviation.
So it doesn't say that they know it, right?
Here they don't. But I don't know, because it's like it gives us like the data, which we can figure out the standard deviation from inside of the Excel spreadsheet. So I don't really know. That's why I'm confused about this one.
Do you think it could be?
Um, let's see. Yeah, I really don't know. So we might just need to pick different ones.
Yeah. I'll just pick A. And you
Okay.
guys pick it.
Pick a different one. Okay.
Yeah. Ben, you pick a different one too.
So who has which one so far?
I have A.
I'll do C.
I will try B then.
Okay. So are you putting this in a one sample t-test? Right?
I can't remember which one I put it in.
What was your...
I think, let me get the data up really quick so I can get close to it. Yeah, I did. Yeah, if it's just like one block of data and there's not like different sections, then I think it's just the one test.
So what'd you put in for the null?
For the null, I can't remember. Let me get the data sheet up because I accidentally closed it. Okay.
Are you always supposed to do 10?
I don't think so. I think that we're supposed to do 0.
0?
Let me go back in my notes and see if I wrote anything down about that. Because I remember one of the tests we were just supposed to put it as 0. So for the confidence intervals, yeah, I put it in the one sample t-test. I didn't do anything to the null hypothesis. Change the null hypothesis to 0. It doesn't change the confidence interval, which we're looking at for the margin of error.
Okay.
So for the confidence interval, I got 11.168 and 15.217.
Yeah.
So I think we just subtract them and
Okay.
then divide it. I got 2.0245.
You subtract those two, then square root the answer, right?
You divide it by 2, right?
Divide by 2.
What'd you get? 2.0245?
Yeah.
So 2.05. Yeah, okay. 2.025. Lower bound is 11.168. Upper bound is 15.217. Ugh.
Yeah, I'm unsure about question 22.
Is it C?
Let's see. What did I think it was? I thought it was confidence interval for the difference of means using independent samples, but I'm not sure.
That's what I said too.
Okay.
Just in case, I'll put B, you put C, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Are you just doing the 2 sample t-test?
I'm trying to figure out which one I did. I didn't save the data in the confidence or in the Excel spreadsheet, so I need to go back and put it in.
That's okay. I'll see if I get what you get.
Yeah, I did a 2 sample t-test on that one.
Okay.
Okay. So for my lower bound, I got negative 423.
Yeah.
Well, what'd you get?
Negative 423.
423.238.
Let's see. No, I just got negative 423. Let me try to put the data back in really quick.
What'd you get, Ben?
Yeah, negative 423.238.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, because I just went off what it said on the preparation, like the different answers were, like the multiple choice answers, and that was just the one I found. So you said it's 423.238.
238.
Okay. And then for the upper, I got 5,417.
5,417.336.
0.236, okay.
So would this next one be an ANOVA test?
Yeah, I believe so. Okay, so the test statistic, I got, what is it, 7.978.
7.978.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then for the p-value, I got 0.002.
.002. Yep. So you have to reject, right?
Reject the null. So I got the, let's see. I picked the fourth one for question 28.
Yes. Is this A?
Independent samples test. I thought it was dependent samples test, but I was also unsure.
I meant dependent. I'm sorry. I didn't.
Was that one an independent study?
I could have thought it was dependent,
On
the last one, but I'm also not sure.
Well, don't they depend on each other, or they?
Yeah, I mean, because they're trying to see if there's a difference over time, so I think that they would depend on each other. And it
Is
wouldn't be.
your spreadsheet? Some of them are blank.
What was that? Oh, yeah, you got to take those out, I think. I believe.
There's 2 blank in each column.
Okay, so yeah, you take them out because that, let's see, because that messes up the p-value, I think. Or the me, something like that.
But then how do you compare it? You know what I mean?
Yeah. Let me see.
Oh no.
Okay, so I think for the test statistics, I think it's 1.685. And then the p-value.
Closed on me, so.
Oh no.
Your p-value, did you get 0.96?
Yeah, 0.096.
0.096?
Yeah.
Is it C?
I think it's, trying to see. I think it might be the first one. There's
I thought it was A. Because your your p-value is not higher than your level of significance.
Yeah.
Wait a second, let me see something. So, all right, so the level of significance is 0.10 and the p-value is 0.09. So the p-value is less than the level of significance. So if it's lower then we reject the null. So I guess there would be sufficient evidence.
They're saying that A and C are saying the same thing, but it's whether you say you have sufficient evidence or insufficient evidence.
Okay, well, I'll pick the third one.
Okay. Well, it's not A, so I got a 73. I missed 8.
Okay. All right, which are the ones that you got wrong?
I got number 6.
What did you have for number 6?
1.96.
Okay. 6. 6.
And I got number 15. And I put C.
Okay, question 15, and you pick C on that? Oh, fail to reject the null. Okay.
And then I put number 17. And I put C. So it's probably D.
Yeah, it's these. I got that one right.
Okay. And 19. I put 2.025.
Okay.
And 22, I put B. So it's Probably C.
C, and I got it right.
Yeah. And 23 and 24. Uh-oh.
What did you have for 23?
The negative 423.238.
Okay. And then 24 you got
5417.336.
okay.
And 28, I put D. And then, yeah, 32, I got put A. That's probably C.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to run. I will correct this a little bit later.
Okay. Did you submit 32? Number
I have
Yes.
mine.
32.
Did you put A?
I put A and I missed it. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Alright. Good luck on the test, guys.
Hey,
You think?
Alright. Bye.
bye.
Alrighty, so that's worrisome.
So I don't know. We miss margin of error a lot. That's the problem.
Yeah, that's the issue, I think. Okay.
What lesson is margin of error in?
I'm trying to see right now. I think it's less than 10.
Yep.
But you got question 7 and question 8, right?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense.
I don't even know. Can you put 1.96?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's really strange. Okay. Oh, unless it's negative. Maybe it's negative 1.96.
So maybe we're subtracting the wrong one from the wrong one.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll put it in as negative 1.96. Okay, and then question 15. Yeah, I can't even remember how I set this one up when I did it.
So there's one, it says the margin of error equals 2 times sigma divided by the square root of n.
Okay.
I don't know if we have all that information on all of them, but
Are you talking about for number 6?
well, I'm just saying that's another way to find it, maybe.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Oh, it's m equals the confidence level, the z star.
Okay, I'm trying to find that. Which lesson did you find that in?
This is all in 10.
Content. Okay. Okay, so confidence interval equation. Oh, margin of error equation. Okay, so it's the z-score, so that in this case would be 1.96
Uh-huh.
times the standard deviation, which would be 2 divided by the square root of
The sample size.
sample size. But it doesn't really give us the sample size.
4. Yeah, it's
Oh, is it-
4.
where is the?
Randomly selects 4 drive shafts made in a factory. Do you see it?
Oh, right there. Because it was written out, not a number.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
This one you don't use any parentheses, right? You just type it in.
I believe you just type it in.
I still got 1.96.
That's really strange. Unless the percentile isn't 1.96 for 95.
It is.
It is?
Look. Yeah.
That's really weird. Maybe that's like an error in the test or something.
That's strange.
I'll try it again just for good measure, I guess. Yeah, because when you do the 2 divided by the square root of 4, it's just 1, right?
Yeah.
So then it would just be 1.96 times itself, or times 1, which would be itself.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Look at the other ones I missed. Let's see.
Well, I'll just put it as a negative because I'm not sure.
So miss number 19. Let's try that one.
Okay. Did you find the standard deviation on that one?
I'm just like, is there no standard deviation? That's
It's not given, but I'm sure we could find it if we just put it into the spreadsheet, the Excel spreadsheet.
I'm just confused because in previous quizzes we had the same thing and we got them all right.
Yeah.
And we used your formula, not this hard one.
Well, it's funny because my husband's the one that taught me the formula that has been working that I told you guys.
Yeah.
He taught statistics, and that's how he showed his class how to do it.
So maybe it's all negative or just doing it wrong.
Yeah.
Maybe we should just email her.
Maybe, yeah. But I'll submit mine as a negative, and if it's still not right, yeah, I'll email her.
We missed 23 and 24 though.
Okay.
That was the upper and lower bound.
Okay. Let me try to put this one, the other one, 19. I'll try to do that by hand using this weird formula.
Okay.
Okay, so using this formula, I got 1.895. Or 1.896, actually.
It's 2.025. So you try and submit that.
Okay.
I'm going to figure out 23 and 24. So maybe we're using the wrong spreadsheet. I mean, using the wrong, whatever it's called.
Well, I think that maybe there's something going on with the rounding because when you, you know what?
Huh.
I wonder if it's because we rounded the, and we rounded the lower bound and the upper bound, and we're going off of the rounding.
Oh.
Yeah, because when
That's totally it.
let's see. So I think that they're already being rounded in the Excel spreadsheet.
Yeah, so you can move it to more decimal places.
Because the standard deviation I get is 4.326. But when you subtract those two from each other, the 15.217 and 11.168, it's different. It's like 4.0 something.
Okay.
7 minus 11.168. Yeah, so when I do it by hand, it's 4.049.
Okay.
Alright, so I'll just put it as that. And then I don't think we figured out 17, did we? Or was it? No, not 17. Sorry, the 15. Was it 15?
I missed 15, yeah.
And you put fail to reject the null?
C, yeah.
Hmm. I'll change that one to reject the null.
Okay. I don't understand why we got the unless it's a paired sample. Number 23, number 24.
Okay. I don't know either.
Let me see.
I can try to do it without the things on the end.
Got the what? Oh,
Well,
the decimals.
yeah, in the exam prep, it just gave me, let's see. Yeah, in the exam prep, one of the answers was just -423 and 5417. So, I don't know.
Let me try something really quick. Yeah, that's the only thing I can think of.
Okay.
Because,
Well,
yeah.
I'll just go ahead and erase the little extra. I just don't know if that's right. But I'll try it.
Well, let me see really. Let me see. Okay, yeah. That's the only one that matches anything I'm getting.
Okay.
And 15, you put what one? You put the.
For 15, I put just reject the null.
Okay.
And then for 28, what was that? Oh yeah, what did you put for 28? You put D?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm putting C. And then 32, you put A.
And I'm pretty sure it's C.
I'm pretty sure it's C, okay. Okay, so let me go ahead and change everything really quick. Okay.
So for
And-
the for number 6, what did you say you got when you didn't round?
Well, I just got 1.96 and then I just changed it to negative. For the rounding one, I did 1. Gosh, where was that?
Number 19, was it?
Yeah, number 19, I got 1.896.
Okay. All right. Then try those.
Okay, I'm gonna try them really quick. Let me just read everything I have back to you so I can see if so I can put the right ones in so it's not such like confusing mess.
Okay.
So for 2, is it the second one?
Okay, let me swap. Yes.
Okay, and then for 3, it's the last one.
No. C.
No. C, okay. All right, 4, I have the third one.
Yes.
5, I have the last one.
Yes.
And then 6, I just put negative 1.96, but I don't think that's right.
Okay.
So 7, I put 998.04.
Yep.
Question 8, I put 1001.96.
Yep.
The next one's 38,416.
Yes.
And then 10, I put the last one.
Yes.
11, I put the second one.
Yeah.
Question 12, I put the third one.
Mhm.
13, I put the first.
Yep.
14, I put the first one.
Yep.
15, I'm just going to put reject the null.
Okay.
16 is independent samples t-test.
Yes.
17 is the last one for guessing.
Yes.
18 is the third one.
The first one.
Oh, the first one. Okay. 18 is the first one. 19 is 1.896.
Okay.
20 is 11.168. 21 is 15.217. 22 is the last one.
B.
Oh, it's
Oh,
B.
wait, no.
Okay.
Yeah, never mind. 22's. Wait, you're putting the last one?
Oh,
I think it's C.
you think it's C? Okay.
Because I put B and it's wrong. I think Ben put C and it was right.
Okay. Change.
If not, then it's D.
Wait, so you said that he picked C?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Because I have it crossed out on my paper that it's C.
Okay. All right. And then question 23, I just put negative 423. And then question 24, I just put 5417. 25, I put ANOVA. 26 is 7.978. 27 is 0.002. 28 is the third one. Let's
But you're
see,
putting
29.
C. Okay, yeah.
So yeah, maybe C. 29 is the last one. I have 1.685 for 30, 31 is 0.096, and 32 I put B.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll go ahead and submit it now. Okay, I got 4 wrong.
4. Halfway there.
Gosh. So 32 I got wrong.
Really?
Yeah.
It's not A or C. Okay. What else did you get wrong?
So we got wrong.
Probably 23 and 24.
Yeah, 23 and 24. And
Probably 6.
we got 19.
Oh, 9. So 6 was right.
Let's see if I got 6 right. Nah, 6 was wrong.
Oh, so 19's right then?
19's wrong.
So it's not 1.896. So you got 6, 19, 23, 24, and 22.
I think I got 22.
I meant 32, sorry.
It's okay. Oh, I guess I got 5 wrong. Just kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's what, because it says 22 out of 30, but I got 9 wrong instead of 8.
That's weird.
Isn't that weird?
Oh, because there was half points. That's right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I got 19, 6, 23, 24, and 32. Awesome.
Is this due today?
It's due tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, well,
I'm thinking that maybe it has something to do with us doing it in Excel and not SPSS.
maybe. That's true. Maybe I'll email her and ask her about the margin of error.
Okay, cool. Let me know what she says, and then I'll try to see if I can get SPSS up and running.
So what we're doing right now, we did the upper minus the lower divided by 2, right?
Yeah,
And we're not using the rounded numbers.
yeah, not the rounded numbers.
Okay. Anything else I need to ask her?
No, I think that's it.
Okay.
All right, well, good luck.
And I need to ask her about 23 and 24, what we're doing wrong.
Oh, yeah, go ahead and ask about that one too.
Okay. All right.
Unless the only thing I can think of is that we're using the wrong test. Like maybe it's not the right one that we selected.
Yeah, that's weird.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
All right. I'll let you know.
All right. Okay, cool.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Good luck.
Oh, thanks, you too.